Hey, welcome back to this new video.
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future.
No, that's
You and I'll be better when we're old enough. Take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do. So many times I tried, but I just don't remember. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future.
Every single building is new. We have fishing, hunting, and a charming view of the sun.
No.
It's Sophia's birthday.
Yeah.
And we're making
clay.
and I'm about to connect my music.
Yes.
And indoor picnic.
Yeah.
Yeah, indoor picnic. Because it's a little bit windy out.
Let's click shuffle on my party.
Strawberries and all this. Oh, summer is finally here.
Senior night.
Senior night, tennis senior night. We just had senior night and our fat heads are here. Very great. Everything is starting to bloom. It's so nice. Today we're going to the beach. I'm just gonna bring you with me to the beach, I guess.
Like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your actions life is boring, so I'll never leave. morning light.